Nature does not take no for an answer. Nature doesn't care about our economic growth. Nature has no opinion about racism. Nature isn't concerned with using the correct pronouns in gender-related situations. Nature has no religion or creed or dogma. Nature simply does what it has to do, as it has done for millions of years, and if 1,000-year-old civilization should stand in its way, nature will unceremoniously brush that civilization aside the way we brush an irritating insect from our body. If nature destroys us, it will not be out of anger or from a righteous sense of having been wronged. It will simply destroy us if it has to, because that is what nature does. It is no use arguing with nature.